How to share screen on FaceTime call on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the FaceTime application on your phone. The FaceTime app is primarily used for making high-quality video and voice calls over the internet between Apple devices, and with a web link, even with Android and Windows users. Beyond calls, it supports features like screen sharing, shared media viewing via SharePlay and more. Once you're here, you can view all your FaceTime contacts. Tap on the video call icon below any of your contacts. This is the video call screen. You can turn on the speaker or mute from the bottom panel. Once they receive a call, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Screen Sharing. Select Share My Screen. As you can see, you can now share your screen with this contact. Following these steps, you can easily share screen on FaceTime call on iPhone.